Good day friends, this is TV Ganesh. Welcome to our channel System Tour. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. In this video, we're going to see about a simplest way to insert blank rows. Here is the problem. Hi, I want to insert a blank row between all the rows in the file. Is there a simple way? They need a help from us. So here is the output. So they want to include a blank row in between all the rows. Let's see how it works. Here is the demo file. This is the input and this is our output. So we want to include a blank row in between all these rows. So what is the traditional way to do this? You can click here, right click, insert. This is one way. And if you are smart, then if you know the shortcut key, you can use F4 to repeat the same action. This is possible if you have 5 or 10 rows. What happened if you have thousands of rows and then you want to include a blank row between all those thousands row? It is not possible, right? So we're going to see about a simple tip here in order to include a blank row between all the existing rows. Let me delete this. Yeah, the simplest way here is select the entire range, copy the range, insert a new sheet and then paste it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to insert a new column called temp and then press 1, 2, select these two cells on the right extreme bottom, double click so that it will get pasted to the entire range. Now copy this range and then paste it here. Simple. The next easiest step is select the entire data set, go to data, click sort. See, sort by the first temp column which we have created now. Let it be smallest to largest, press OK. Wow, we got a blank row here. This is, we have created the column, right? You can go ahead and delete the column. Now if you see, this output is exactly matching with this output, right? So this is the easiest way to include a blank row in between. Okay, so let me also share you one more logic here. Let me copy this data set again, insert a new sheet. Now the requirement here is I want to include these headings here for every row. That is the requirement here. I'm going to use the same logic again. Created a temp column. Press 1 and 2. Again on the right extreme bottom side, double click this icon. I got all the row numbers here. Copy the content and paste it at the bottom. Now instead of directly sorting the data, I'm going to copy the headings here and then paste it here. Now using the same logic, simple selecting the data set and then go to sort, again selecting the temp column, smallest to largest, click OK. Now if you see, we got the heading for each and every line item here. This is the simplest way to include a heading to all the rows or to include a blank row in between all the rows. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you and have an excellent day.